Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, where stress and daily demands are constant, seeking balance and holistic well-being has become more crucial than ever. But what exactly does holistic health mean? Well, it's more than just the absence of disease. It's about the interconnection between your mind, body, and spirit, working in harmony to achieve an ideal state of vitality. And guess what? Nature offers us incredible tools for this, and many of them come in colorful, delicious packages, fruits. Today, we're diving into the power of 5 extraordinary fruits that are true nutritional treasures. They not only support your physical health, but also contribute to your mental clarity, emotional well-being, and even your spiritual energy. Get ready to discover how these superfoods can transform your health journey from the inside out. Let's start with a fruit that, despite often being mistaken for a vegetable, is a nutritional giant, the avocado. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, avocado is a powerful ally for heart health, helping to reduce bad cholesterol and keep arteries flexible. But its benefits go far beyond that. Avocado is a fantastic source of potassium, which is essential for muscle health and regulating blood pressure. It's also loaded with fiber, promoting digestive health and a feeling of fullness, which can be a great support for weight management. And it doesn't stop there. Vitamins like K, C, E, and B6, along with folate, make avocado a true natural multivitamin complex. Vitamin E, for example, is a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from free radical damage, contributing to radiant skin and healthy aging. Its nutrient density makes it perfect for nourishing the body at a deep level, positively impacting your energy and overall well-being. Next up, we have a small fruit with a gigantic impact, the blueberry. These small blue globes are champions in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give the blueberry its vibrant color. Antioxidants are crucial for combating oxidative stress in the body, which is a major cause of chronic diseases and premature aging. Blueberries are notable for their role in brain health. Studies suggest that regular consumption can improve memory, focus, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. They're also beneficial for eye health and can strengthen the immune system, helping your body defend itself from infections. Plus, they're a good source of fiber and vitamin C. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is a delicious and effective way to nourish your body and mind, promoting a sense of vitality and mental clarity. Now let's talk about a citrus fruit that's a true wild card for holistic health, the lemon. Known for its sour and refreshing taste, lemon is a powerhouse of vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and promotes skin health through collagen production. But lemon is much more than just vitamin C. It plays a key role in detoxifying the body. Lemon water, for example, is a popular drink to start the day, as it stimulates digestion and helps the liver eliminate toxins. Lemon's alkalizing properties, despite being acidic in its natural state, help balance the body's pH, creating an environment less conducive to disease. It can also aid in iron absorption from other foods. Lemon is an excellent ally for keeping your system clean and functioning optimally, reflecting in more energy and overall well-being. Our fourth fruit is a timeless classic, and for good reason, the apple. That old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," holds a lot of truth. Apples are an excellent source of soluble and insoluble fiber, which are crucial for digestive health. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol, while insoluble fiber promotes bowel regularity. Beyond fiber, apples contain a number of antioxidants, such as quercetin, which can have anti-inflammatory effects and protect cells. They are also hydrating and can help keep the mouth and teeth clean due to their crunchy texture. The simplicity and accessibility of the apple make it a perfect choice for a quick, nutritious snack that contributes to your stable energy throughout the day and to the health of your entire digestive system, which is the foundation of holistic health. And to close our list, we have a fruit with incredible beauty and power, the pomegranate. With its juicy, glistening seeds, pomegranate is a symbol of vitality and longevity in many cultures. It's a true treasure trove of antioxidants, such as punicalagins, which are even more potent than those found in red wine and green tea. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and protective properties against chronic diseases. Pomegranate is also beneficial for heart health, helping to improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. Some research indicates that it may play a role in preventing certain types of cancer and improving memory. It's a fruit that nourishes the body at a deep cellular level, promoting not only physical health but also a sense of well-being and vitality. A true elixir for longevity and energy. And there you have it. 5 incredible fruits: avocado, blueberry, lemon, apple, and pomegranate, that are much more than just food. They are powerful sources of nutrition that can boost your holistic health and well-being journey. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination. And every small choice we make in our diet contributes to our overall well-being. We encourage you to try incorporating these fruits into your daily diet, whether in smoothies, salads, snacks, or as part of your meals. The possibilities are endless. Which of these fruits do you already love? Or which one are you excited to try? Share your ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips and information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.